Fast weight loss versus slow weight loss, which one is better? The pros and cons. Did you know losing weight quickly can actually lead to more fat storage? When we lose weight too quickly, think crash diets or drastic calorie cuts, the body often adapts by burning muscle instead of fat. Muscle loss slows down your metabolism, which can make it easier to gain fat back later. Essentially, rapid weight loss can make your body more efficient at storing fat when you return to regular eating, a phenomenon sometimes called metabolic adaptation. The weight loss dilemma: speed versus sustainability. Let's face it, we live in a world of instant gratification. We want it all, and we want it now. This desire extends to weight loss too. The idea of dropping pounds quickly is incredibly tempting. But is it sustainable? That's the million-dollar question. The truth is, lasting weight loss is about more than just a number on the scale. It's about making healthy choices that you can stick with over time. This is where the debate between fast weight loss and slow weight loss comes in. Fast weight loss promises rapid results, which can be incredibly motivating. However, it often involves restrictive diets and intense workout regimes that are difficult to maintain. Slow weight loss, on the other hand, focuses on gradual changes to your lifestyle. This approach may take longer to show drastic results, but it's more likely to lead to sustainable change. Welcome to the Everyday Weight Loss Hacks YouTube channel. Watch video till the end for the how to lose weight hack that can accelerate your results the safest and fastest. Now let's get to it. We've all been there. You have a big event coming up, a wedding, a reunion, a beach vacation, and you want to look your best. Fast weight loss methods such as crash diets or extreme exercise programs become alluring with their promise of quick results. These methods often focus on drastic calorie restriction or elimination of entire food groups. This can lead to rapid weight loss, primarily water weight, which can be incredibly motivating. Seeing the numbers on the scale drop quickly can give you a sense of accomplishment and push you to keep going. This initial motivation can be a powerful tool, especially for those who are just starting their weight loss journey. It can provide the momentum needed to make changes and break old habits. However, it's crucial to remember that this initial excitement can be fleeting. The long-term success of any weight loss journey relies on sustainable habits, not quick fixes. While the allure of fast results is undeniable, it's crucial to understand the potential downsides. Fast weight loss methods often come with a hefty price tag, impacting your health, metabolism, and long-term success. One of the biggest drawbacks of rapid weight loss is muscle loss. When you lose weight quickly, your body doesn't just burn fat, it also breaks down muscle mass for energy. This is detrimental because muscle is essential for maintaining a healthy metabolism. Rapid weight loss can also lead to nutrient deficiencies. Extreme calorie restriction or the elimination of food groups can deprive your body of essential vitamins and minerals needed for optimal function. This can result in fatigue, weakness, and a compromised immune system. Moreover, the restrictive nature of fast weight loss methods often leads to rebound weight gain. Once you return to your normal eating habits, the weight tends to pile back on, often exceeding what you initially lost. This yo-yo dieting can wreak havoc on your metabolism and make it even harder to lose weight in the future. Thank you for watching our Everyday Weight Loss Hacks channel, by the way. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel so we know to keep making free content like this. You're the best, by the way. Now back to the tips you came here for. In the race against the scale, slow and steady wins the race. Slow weight loss, characterized by gradual changes to your diet and exercise routine, is often touted as the healthier and more sustainable approach. One of the most significant advantages of slow weight loss is muscle preservation. By losing weight gradually, your body has time to adjust and preserve muscle mass. This is crucial for maintaining a healthy metabolism, which is essential for long-term weight management. Slow weight loss also allows you to focus on making lasting lifestyle changes. Instead of resorting to extreme measures, you can gradually incorporate healthier eating habits and regular exercise into your routine. This approach helps you develop a healthier relationship with food and exercise, making it easier to stick to your goals in the long run. Furthermore, slow weight loss promotes sustainable weight management. By making gradual changes and learning to listen to your body, you're less likely to experience the dreaded rebound weight gain often associated with fast weight loss methods. Before we reveal the next hot tip, just a polite reminder that there are resources in the description box below that you can click on that can help you speed up your weight loss goals starting today. Make sure to check them out after the video so you can start seeing a better looking body in no time. Now on to the next tip. Finding your footing, a balanced approach. While both fast and slow weight loss have their pros and cons, a balanced approach often yields the best results. This method combines the initial motivation of fast weight loss with the sustainability of slow and steady changes. Think of it as a two-phase approach. Phase 1 focuses on kickstarting your weight loss journey by making significant changes to your diet and exercise routine. This initial push can lead to noticeable results, providing the motivation needed to stay committed. Once you've achieved some initial success, Phase 2 involves transitioning to a more sustainable plan. This includes gradually incorporating healthier eating habits, regular exercise, and mindful eating practices. The key is to find a balance that allows you to lose weight without feeling deprived or overwhelmed. This balanced approach recognizes that weight loss is not a one-size-fits-all journey. It allows you to tailor your approach to your individual needs, preferences, and lifestyle, setting you up for long-term success. The muscle mass equation. Muscle mass plays a crucial role in weight loss and overall health. It's your metabolic engine, burning calories even when you're at rest. Fast weight loss often leads to muscle loss. Drastically reducing calories makes your body turn to muscle for energy. Less muscle mass means a slower metabolism, making it easier to regain weight. Combine a moderate calorie deficit with regular exercise to protect muscles. This keeps your metabolism revved up, making it easier to keep the weight off. Energy levels, fast track versus steady pace. Energy levels are a significant factor to consider when choosing between fast and slow weight loss. The approach you take can drastically impact your energy levels, influencing your mood, motivation, and overall well-being. Fast weight loss methods, with their restrictive nature, often leave you feeling drained and fatigued. Drastically cutting calories and depriving your body of essential nutrients can lead to low energy levels, making it challenging to power through workouts or even get through the day. Slow weight loss, with its focus on balance and sustainability, can actually boost your energy levels. By nourishing your body with nutrient-rich foods and incorporating regular exercise, you provide your body with the fuel it needs to function optimally. This can translate to increased energy, improved mood, and enhanced athletic performance. Remember, sustainable weight loss should leave you feeling energized and empowered, not depleted and drained. Choose an approach that supports your energy levels and allows you to live your life to the fullest. Have you tried to lose weight fast or slow before? If so, which one did you choose, and did you find a solution to them that works for you, or maybe used to? Feel free to share your experiences in the comments. We would love to hear from you. The best comments get a heart. Long-term health and well-being. Weight loss is about improving your overall health and well-being. Your approach impacts your heart health and mental clarity. Fast weight loss can harm your long-term health. Yo-yo dieting and nutrient deficiencies are risks. These factors increase chronic disease risks. Slow weight loss promotes long-term health. Adopt a balanced diet and regular physical activity. True health is more than a number on the scale. Nourish your body and cultivate a positive self-relationship. The psychology of sustainability. Sustainable weight loss is as much a mental game as it is a physical one. Understanding the psychology behind lasting change is crucial for success. This is where the concept of habit formation comes into play. Fast weight loss methods often rely on willpower and deprivation. While this may work in the short term, it's rarely sustainable. Our willpower is a finite resource that can be easily depleted, especially when faced with temptation or stress. Slow weight loss, on the other hand, focuses on gradually building healthy habits. By making small, incremental changes to your lifestyle, you're less likely to feel overwhelmed or deprived. Over time, these small changes become ingrained habits, making it easier to stick to your goals without relying solely on willpower. Remember, sustainable weight loss is about creating a lifestyle you enjoy, not enduring a temporary period of deprivation. Focus on building healthy habits that support your long-term goals. As promised, do you want to know the how to lose weight hack that can accelerate your results the safest and fastest? Personalized weight loss, a journey, not a race. In the world of weight loss, there's no one-size-fits-all solution. What works for one person may not work for another. That's why it's essential to embrace the concept of personalized weight loss, a journey tailored to your unique needs, preferences, and lifestyle. Factors such as your age, gender, body type, activity level, and any underlying health conditions all play a role in determining the most effective and sustainable approach for you. It's crucial to consult with healthcare professionals, such as a registered dietitian or a certified personal trainer, to create a personalized plan that aligns with your individual goals and circumstances. Remember, weight loss is not a race, it's a journey of self-discovery and transformation. Embrace the process, be patient with yourself, and celebrate your progress along the way.